In this video, we'll show you how to change the sway bar end links on your Ford F-150. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ford F-150 safely. Turn the brake disc inward to make this operation easier. The end link connects the sway bar to the lower control arms to keep the wheels firmly on the ground at all times. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Use a 15mm wrench to keep the ball joint from rotating. Then, using another 15mm spanner, unscrew the nut on the upper ball joint. Remove the upper nut. The washer and the bushing. Do the same on the other side to make this operation easier. Lift the sway bar. Using an 18mm offset wrench, unscrew the nut from the lower ball joint. Use a ratchet and an 8mm socket to keep the ball joint from rotating. Then remove the lower nut. You can now remove the link.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Brush and grease the location to facilitate the installation. You can order the sway bar end link used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new end link. Install it in the lower control arm. Screw the nut of the lower ball joint of the sway bar end link back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Put the sway bar back in place. Install the bushing and washer. Screw the nut of the upper ball joint of the sway bar end link back on. To tighten the sway bar end link retaining nut in the vehicle on the ground position, you need to support the lower control arm with a jack. Finish off tightening the nut with a torque wrench. Do the same on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.